Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video I'm going to answer a question I've been asked a lot about the Remarkable 2, and that's specifically how well do Esty journals work with the Remarkable 2. As I say, it's something I've been asked numerous times, but I'd never tried it myself. So I took a look on Etsy, and I'll give you an idea of what that looks like now. There are lots and lots of journals, and I found a highly rated one. There was a bundle that cost about £20. In all honesty, this isn't a sponsored video, but I contacted the seller of one of those journals that was really highly rated, explained to them what I wanted to do, and asked them if they could send me a free download. Very kindly they did. Now, what really impressed me is I got this minimalist bundle, and it really was a bundle. I was really impressed with all the options that are available. Left-handed options, weeks that start on a Sunday. You can really dial it in to choose the option that works best for you. With that said, let's have a look at how a journal works that's been specifically built for the Remarkable 2. So I've got the Remarkable 2 in front of me here, and let's have a play around. So let's start off with the digital planner. If we click on that here, you can see it opens up, and we start off, actually, if I swipe to the left, we start off with that front page, but we start off with the calendar view. Now, what I was really impressed with here is how much everything is hyperlinked. So we're in June when I'm filming this. If I click on June, you get to the whole of June, and that's really quite impressive. And then I'm actually filming this on the 28th. So if I click on the 28th of June, you can see here, I've got a day schedule. I can write my priorities like film, video. I can list the to-dos. Well, I've also got to film the video and edit, say. I've got a schedule here for what I've got to do, so let's stick lunch in here. And it all just seems to work really well. So we can go back to, go back to calendar. There are probably better ways to navigate this, and go back to June. You can see here, we've got 28th of June. So I can write this as filming day. And it's a really nice mix between using the pen to write notes and then using your finger to navigate. If I go back here by clicking the back button here, you can see it's just really smooth and flowing. And I was really impressed. If I move that there, you've got quarterly journals, you've got all the months you can click on, and actually that'd be the place to click on June. Slightly covered originally, on June. So click on the day, that's going to stay there on the left, and we can go back to June. So it just all flows really nicely. In addition to the calendar and the days and all that planning, you've got nice simple to-do lists. So you can just flick through there, you can write all your to-dos. I wrote week commencing the 27th of June, film video, and you can sort of set this out however you want. You've also really usefully got meeting notes. So I made up a note for Bill Jones. You've got the subject, the date. If we go back here, we've got all those meeting notes. Sarah, probably his wife, subject, date. We go on to the next one, meeting note number 3. A really useful way just to write lots of notes. So we could write number 3, filming ideas. So we'll click on number 3. And we'll write it here, filming, date is the 28th, 22, and it just flows really nicely. It's that really nice mix of analog, everything's handwritten, but at the same time being digital, you're not flicking between lots of pages, it's all done at the press of a button. In addition to meetings, you've got lists, so similar, I wrote Christmas here, you could write all your Christmas lists, so I wrote buy present for Bill Jones, as I was keeping that on theme. And then you've got a simple notes page, similar again, thoughts on Bill's Christmas present. In my imaginary Bill, he loves golf. But a really useful daily journal that's really easy to navigate round and can add a lot of value. And I think the fact that someone's created this, it doesn't cost that much. I've messed around myself with getting daily journals to work for me with no hyperlinks, and frustratingly, I got them nowhere near this good. If I click here and then exit out of this journal, actually the planner, importantly, you've also got a digital journal. so you can review the day. Very similar, so let's stick on to the 28th of June. Again, we can write on here, but if we click on it, we've got a hyperlink here, and we can just review the day, how it went. So if I move this again here, we can go back to the months. Just a nice simple journal to see and review and say how things went. Circle the weather, talk about your mood, just talk about how things are going, and lots of people do like to journal. In addition to the journal, there's lots here. We have a notebook. Now, this is something I don't use too much in the real world, but lots of people do. Split down into, we need to move this here, into different sections, different pages. And similar to how it works in the planner, you can just write these down, click here, and start to navigate around. Now, these are just blank pages, but in a simple notebook, that's all you want. Somewhere to write your notes, easily navigate around, and write the sections for each of them. The final bit, if I exit out of here, is the meeting notes. Now, interestingly, click on this. This is a simple 3-page document, done really well. So you've got the date, which you can put up there, subject, place, convener and attendees, who's there, what you're discussing, and action points. So this continues onto a nice 3-page document. Now, from a practical perspective, what you can do on the Remarkable 2, because if you like that format and style, is simply click on this and press duplicate, and there you've got 2 of them. So you can just keep on doing that and use this time and time again for the meetings, rename them, and it's a really useful format if that's the type of thing you like to write your meeting notes on. So I just thought I'd put this video out there to show you what it was like using a hyperlink journal from Esty. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll leave a link to this particular journal in the description below. If you like it, click on it, see if it's any use to you. If you've liked this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I've been Alex. Thanks for watching.